So let's talk on Binks. Yes, whatever happened, it was very, very unfortunate. Whatever happened wasn't required. It was totally uncalled. I am nowhere standing by what Binks as an influencer, Binks as a YouTuber, Binks as a creator from SATOL said on stream. I am nowhere defending his acts, but let me talk two ways. Being a responsible person from SATOL, I know whatever happened, it was totally uncalled for, और जो भी उसके actions थे, it hurted lot of his fans as well. And Reddit पे भी मैंने देखा बहुत कुछ हुआ. But, 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 here's always two side of a coin, जिसमें दूसरा coin का part was not shown. I am not, again, I repeat, I am not defending his act by saying this. It was totally uncalled for. We all know मुंबई सर्वर का रेपुटेशन कैसा है टॉक्सिसिटी के मामले में. Being a YouTuber, being a influencer, he should have controlled whatever his actions were, words were. Choice of words should have been carefully taken. But end of the day, shit happens, and it was a thing which was absolutely unjustified right now, and we are trying to fix it. We are trying to fix it at all cost. And what I can assure you is any such action from anyone in SATOL shall not be seen in further future. पहले भी हुआ है किससे, and the consequences were hard. But this time, what happened was it had two coins ka part. Nobody likes to be talked about his or her mom. किसी की फैमिली को टारगेट कुछ किसी को पसंद नहीं आता. इंस्टिगेटिंग किसी को पसंद नहीं आता. बट आई एक्सेप्ट द फैक्ट दैट बीइंग अ स्ट्रीमर, मेरे को भी लोग गाली देते हैं, मेरे को भी लोग बोलते हैं. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर देयर वाज अ गाय इन वैलोरेंट हु इवन सेड his about something about my mom which was not acceptable at all. But probably my course of action regarding that guy was entirely different what Bings के केस में हुआ. So yeah, we will try to defending SATOL. Fakar Halil Shah, there is nothing. If you are out of those brigade who are trying to get this in SATOL, so let me clear one thing to you very clear carefully. If to defend SATOL, if I'll have to leave, no, I will leave. Yeah, and why? Yes, I will defend SATOL till my last breath. अगर किसी का एक्शन मेरे एक्शन की वजह से किसी के एक्शन की वजह से मुझे भी SATOL छोड़ के जाना पड़े तो आई विल डू दैट. एंड व्हाई वुड आई नॉट डिफेंड SATOL? किसी का भी एक्शन की वजह से व्हाई इज SATOL रिस्पॉन्सिबल? दूसरे प्लेयर्स को, दूसरे लोगों को उसमें जोड़ना. आई सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्पैमिंग remove Bings, kick Bings. We'll see. No, we know. मतलब I am not naming anyone, but I am not demeaning things. गलती हुई है, he meant it. We are still in talking terms. Sorry. Hey Bings, what's up, man? क्या हाल है? Shit happens, Bings. That's what I was talking to audience. Shit happens. And yes, if this half story, this has been a part of parcel of any streaming play space that चीज़ों को हाफ कट हाफ कुक्ड ही प्रेजेंट किया जाता है. So if you guys want to, anyone out there want to present this, my statement also half cut half whatever I said उसको one sided वो दिखाना है तो go ahead and show it. I cannot do anything on that. And abhi bhi, honestly, we haven't had a word with Bings about this. We'll have a by Sunday. Thug is not well. We'll have a team meeting. Bings के साथ भी उसमें meeting होना है. We want to hear his stance of the entire incident. मेरे को पता है, but others also wants to hear it. And yes, we'll try and fix this as soon as possible in whatever way it can be done.